it's to describe this era that we're living in where man is the dominant influence on the environment. So it's saying that we are like creating more change in the world faster than any natural disaster. So this is like the sounds of that, or my interpretation of it. But don't let that influence you.
The sounds of what?
The Anthropocene.
Okay.
That's how you say it.
Okay. Ah! Oh, 깜짝이야.
There are headphones on the chair.
Oh, okay. Interesting. This is really interesting. But I still don't quite get it. So why are you trying to melt the ice?
What I'm trying to get across with this piece, which is like fine if it doesn't come out that way, but I was kind of inspired and influenced by like global warming. And so with that, and that's what the Anthropocene is. So with that, there's lots of videos of these like time lapses you can see of all the polar ice caps melting, which is like stark to see, but you don't always connect with the issue. And so with this piece, I was trying to create like an ecosystem of it. So you have like the senses, you can feel heat, you can see the ice melting, you can hear the ice melting. And so I was just trying to create like a small scale ecosystem.
And what especially is special about like the sound in there?
The sound of ice. So when you
Oh, is it the sound of ice?
Yeah, so what you're hearing, if you have to be patient, but the point, at least to me, is that the ice is melting so quickly in the polar caps and in the different areas, and that's creating a lot of different mix-ups with our climate. But it's something that we don't hear, and it happens so slowly that it's easy to forget about. It's almost imperceptible. And so this is the way to like...
That's cool. I touched the ice. I can also just hear my breathing and everything. Mine is very amplified. It's good.
Cool.
I'm surprised there's that much ice left. It's hot in there. It's blasting in the heat. No, that was good, though.
Nice.
Good job.
Yeah, the school